Sleep is an essential part of our lives. It is when our bodies recharge, and our minds reset. But for some, sleep can be a strange and elusive thing, with rare sleep disorders making it even more challenging. In today's video we'll explore the weirdest and downright crazy sleep disorders, including something called sexsomnia. But before we dive in, remember to subscribe for more great videos. First up, exploding head syndrome. This is a rare sleep disorder that causes loud, explosive sounds in the head when falling asleep or waking up. It can be frightening for those who experience it, but it is not usually a cause for concern. Klein-11 syndrome. This is a rare sleep disorder that causes a person to sleep for long periods, up to 20 hours a day, much like the koala. During these episodes, they may have difficulty waking up, but when they do, they may experience confusion, hallucinations, and even abnormal behavior. REM sleep behavior disorder. This is a rare sleep disorder that causes a person to act out their dreams during the REM sleep stage. This can result in violent or dangerous behavior and can be a significant concern for the person's safety and those around them. Sleep-related eating disorder. This is a rare sleep disorder that causes a person to eat while asleep. They may have no memory of eating or may wake up surrounded by food, leading to weight gain and other health problems. Non-24-hour sleep-wake disorder. This is a rare sleep disorder that affects the body's internal clock. People with this disorder have a natural sleep-wake cycle that is longer than 24 hours, causing them to fall asleep and wake up at different times each day. Sleep paralysis with hypnagogic hallucinations. This rare sleep disorder that can be incredibly frightening for those who experience it. During sleep paralysis, a person is unable to move or speak, and they may experience vivid and often terrifying hallucinations. Fatal Familial Insomnia. An extremely rare sleep disorder that affects the brain's ability to regulate sleep. It leads to a complete inability to sleep, which can cause rapid mental and physical deterioration and ultimately, death. Sleep-related dissociative disorder. This sleep disorder that causes a person to experience dissociative episodes during sleep. They may feel as though they are outside of their body or disconnected from reality. Delayed sleep phase disorder. This rare sleep disorder that affects a person's circadian rhythm. People with this disorder may have difficulty falling asleep at night and may sleep during the day instead. Sexsomnia. This rare sleep disorder that causes a person to engage in sexual acts while asleep. They may have no memory of the behavior and can be incredibly embarrassed and ashamed when they find out. These rare sleep disorders can have a significant impact on a person's life. But with proper diagnosis and treatment, many people with sleep disorders can improve their sleep and their overall quality of life. So if you're struggling with a sleep disorder, don't suffer in silence. Talk to your doctor and take the first step towards a better night's sleep.